Lazydays has announced that it has entered into a definitive agreement for the sale of its Tulsa, Oklahoma location to Ron Hoover RV and Marine. The transaction, which is expected to be completed in the coming weeks, will involve the sale of the company's assets and real estate at the Tulsa location. According to Ron Fleming, CEO of Lazydays, the sale is a mutually beneficial transaction that will further streamline the company's operational footprint and bring cash to its balance sheet. This influx of funds is expected to enable Lazydays to continue paying down debt, allowing the company to focus on its core dealerships. The acquisition of the Lazydays location in Tulsa is a strategic move for Ron Hoover RV and Marine, which has already established a presence in Oklahoma City. Chris Hoover, president of Ron Hoover RV and Marine Centers, noted that the company had been looking to expand its presence in the region and saw the Lazydays location in Claremore, Tulsa area, as the ideal fit due to its strong presence and solid reputation. The sale is part of Lazydays' efforts to optimize its operations and focus on its core dealerships. By divesting its Tulsa location, the company aims to improve its financial position and allocate resources more efficiently. The transaction is expected to be completed expeditiously, allowing both parties to move forward with their respective business strategies. Lazydays also successfully executed amendments and waivers with its credit facility lender syndicate and mortgage lender, which will enhance the company's liquidity position and further fortify its financial foundation. The transactions are expected to generate $14 million of liquidity and reduce non-floor plan indebtedness by $15 million. The company has achieved this through the divestiture of certain non-core dealerships and associated real estate. The divestitures include the sale of dealerships in Mesa, Arizona, Fort Pierce, Florida, Longmont, Colorado, and Las Vegas, Nevada. The proceeds from these sales will be used to repay non-floor plan indebtedness, reducing it to approximately $44 million and meaningfully lowering interest expense. According to Ron Fleming, interim CEO of Lazydays, the agreements with the lenders provide the company with a significantly enhanced liquidity position and greater flexibility to advance its turnaround strategy. The company remains focused on revitalizing its core dealership operations, streamlining its footprint, and reducing debt through the sale of non-core assets. The transactions are part of Lazydays' efforts to strengthen its balance sheet, improve operational performance, and achieve long-term stability. The company is working to build a more resilient business model, and the support of its lenders is crucial in this process. With the completion of these transactions, Lazydays is poised to move forward with its strategic objectives and create value for its stakeholders. The culmination of these efforts saw Lazydays close on the asset sale of its Longmont, Colorado location to General RV Center Inc., marking the final transaction completion of the previously announced sale of 3 stores to General RV. This move allows Lazydays to focus on its streamlined footprint, including its legacy store in Loveland, Colorado, which it has operated for nearly 10 years. According to Ron Fleming, the closing of this transaction enables the company to concentrate on its core operations and build on its strengths. General RV, a third-generation family-owned company, has nearly doubled its number of supercenters nationwide in the past 3 years, offering sales and service of thousands of RVs. The company currently operates 23 locations in 9 states and has expanded its presence into Colorado with the acquisition of the Longmont location. General RV's CEO, Lauren Bidas, emphasized the company's commitment to providing premier customer service and endless options for RVing needs. The acquisition of the Longmont location represents a significant step in General RV's growth strategy, allowing the company to expand its footprint and serve customers in a new region. The smooth and expeditious transaction process was facilitated by the cooperation between the two companies. Lazydays and General RV worked together to ensure a seamless transfer of assets, enabling both parties to move forward with their respective business objectives. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.